There are also some other revenue sources I have in mind that are not going to come from raising tax rates, but increasing economic activity of a kind that we don't currently have in our state. I'll have more to say about that over the course of this year. And if you combine that with improving effectiveness in the administration of the state in certain other domains, we can go through specific examples, but on the campaign trail, I've talked about improving the effectiveness of our universities by consolidating some of the excess universities we have in our university system, attaching work requirements and other conditions to certain forms of government aid that really aren't helping the people who are on them if they're on them permanently. We can talk about some of the areas where we could think about improving effectiveness. Reducing cost will be a byproduct of that as well. And the combination of those three things. So, number one is added economic growth that drives more revenue through the existing sales tax rates as they exist. Combine that with actually drawing more people into our state and bringing in some added sources of revenue through new kinds of economic activity that I'll talk about later this year. And then combine that with improving effectiveness, but the byproduct of which is reducing some of the cost and overspending. We have a glide path to a zero income tax rate if we're really willing to make that a goal. And I am. And I do think that that's going to allow Ohio to be the place where people move rather than Texas or Tennessee or Florida.